Hey guys, so a bunch of people have asked me, how do you actually clear out a firearm? So I'm going to show you that. And what I'm actually going to be utilizing today is just dummy trainer rounds in here. So I'm going to do a press check, and I do need to load it. How I've loaded the magazine is it should be live, fake, until I'm out of ammo. I think there's 4 fake rounds in here. So what I'm going to do is just go for this target over here. It's a piece of metal, so when I actually hit it, you should hear the audible ding. Now this next round is not going to actually work, so I'm going to show you what it'll look like. It goes click. So I just had a misfire. What I need to do is tap my magazine. You don't need to slam this thing, just tap it. Make sure your magazine is seated. If your magazine's not all the way in the gun and you go to work the action, you're not going to load the next round in there. So tap it, rack it. We could see something did fall out. Get back on your target and go ahead and engage. So this time I'm just gonna go through and finish shooting everything. If I have a jam, I'm just gonna fix it and get back to shooting as fast as I can. And now I'm empty. So like I said, we had 4 fake ones right there. You could see how when it went click, I didn't need to do anything. Something you could do is buy some dummy rounds out at a gun store, at Walmart, order them on Amazon. I don't care who you actually purchase things through, but buy some training ammo. This is something you can do, whether you're dry firing your firearm at your house or you want to run drills like this out at a gun range. It's a phenomenal training tool so that you can learn how to properly clear out a jam. Now, I am going to demonstrate one other style jam. This is very rare, but it can happen. And what it's called is stovepiping. So what I'm going to do is put my first round in so it looks just like this. Now what I have is my magazine, and I'm going to put one more round inside here. So I have 1 round in here, which is inside my gun. Now when you stovepipe, typically what happens is you still have a live round inside here, but this time what's going to happen, if I go to tap and rack, that round that was in here is also going to get extracted. So I don't recommend doing that motion. Although it's going to work, you just now put live ammo on the ground. You don't want to do it. So what I call it is actually just knifing. What you're going to do is slide your finger right in the way. You could see how easily that closed. So now I would be able to engage. There's no live ammo in here, so you're going to hear an audible click. So tap, rack, back on target. This time, again, you're gonna hear that click simply because I am running it simply with only our dummy rounds, not live ammo. But that would be probably the easiest thing you could do is if you have that stovepipe. Let me close this. Maybe. Once it goes inside there like that, put your finger in the way and just try to knife it out, whether you want to pull back towards your actual things, mainly because if you think of how the gun works, if you pull back, it is going to come out a lot easier. If you want to try to ride it forwards, you can also do that. It should be good. Ensure it's all the way in battery, back on your target, click. So again, we're empty. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you click like, subscribe, turn the alert notification on. Appreciate it. Stay tuned for this summer. We should have a lot of more live firearm training exercises for you guys to take out to the range. Thanks again, guys.